Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently editing the review you guys are about to see, and I realized I didn't really do like an intro or an outro. So the stuff I'm reviewing today are press-on nails by Salon. They reached out, they said, do you want to review these? I said sure, because as you guys know, I do love a good press-on nail. I don't get to do them as often as I like because of my job, but with me being on a little bit lighter duty because of my concussion, I was able to do some press-ons. So this is about a week after the application you are seeing. So no nails. They did pop off yesterday, which would have been a whole week after I applied them. So I'll talk about that in the outro a little bit, but they did ask me if I wanted to do it. I didn't get paid for this, but I did get free product. So I got the UV nail lamp, the nail tabs, the adhesives, and 4 pairs of nails. So we'll talk about all that in the video in the review, but I just want to give you guys a little bit of a preamble as to what you're about to see. Let's start with everything I got from the salon. They sent me the UV nail lamp, some of the Easy Tab glue dots. They had me pick 4 styles, and then they also sent the UV Cure glue, which we have here. So this is kind of everything you need to get started with the kit. And then the 4 styles I chose were all the medium almond length. So I got this one that's kind of like cosmic looking, these tortoise shell ones, which I'm going to be using today, this chrome kind of white lavender purple ones, which I really like. If you can't tell by my shirt, it's like a color I gravitate towards. And then of course this just plain white classic style. So I plugged in this little UV lamp because initially I thought I was going to need to use it with these nails. However, they are not compatible with the UV glue. They are just compatible with the glue that comes with every kit. And then there is also a cuticle oil that comes in each kit, and then there is 32 nails in each kit. So there are 16 sizes. There's also a lot of instructions that come with it. You get some glue dots with it as well. You get your little file, your little prep pad, and as you can see, the easy tabs are fitted to each size of the nail, so nothing's going to be too big or too small. You get your little cuticle stick, and then they kind of just give you a card giving you some ideas on which nails are right for you. And then you get this little match pad that has double-sided tape that you can lay out all your sizes of nail, and then you can actually write on that pad as well. And you can use this multiple times. That tape was still really sticky after I took my nails off, but you can write down like which sizes fit which hand the best, if it's right or left, which finger it is. All that kind of stuff is on there, which makes it really easy if you're kind of in a rush or maybe you're not applying your nails right away. So I went in with the cuticle stick and just pushed my cuticles back so that they would not get the glue on them. You definitely don't want to get nail glue, UV or otherwise, on your cuticles because it can just be really painful if your nail gets ripped off or caught on something. So I just did a little pushing back. So just some details about the nails while I do this. They kind of range in price. When they're on sale, it seems like they kind of range from, they can be $7 and some change to like a max of, it seems like $21. All the nails that I chose are around $16. They are ones that are compatible with the UV Cure glue are a little bit more. Those ones are called the Dual Glam line. These ones are just the Nourish nails. So these are just kind of their base standard regular old press-on nails. When you get the nails themselves on the back of the box, it will tell you the styles that match the UV Cure glue and if the style you have matches them or not. So then I took the little prep pad and just wiped my nails down with this. Of course, you can always do this with just regular old nail polish remover, but these prep pads are nice because they don't affect the adhesive. Sometimes if I use acetone and it's not fully dry on my nails, it can like eat away at the glue and then everything doesn't stick effectively. So I just stick with the stuff that they give me in the kit most of the time. So after I went through all the sizes, I put everything on the little match pad so that they were all stuck there so I could just start gluing stuff on.
But here is the little pamphlet that tells you which glue is best for you. So obviously I had no choice but to go with the glue that comes in the kit. This says it's supposed to last like 7 to 14 days. I have had the nails on for about 2 days, and it said this is good for light activities. I went to the garden center and moved some stuff around, and I did have 2 nails kind of pop off. So I think the UV glue, which is supposed to last up to 28 days, is definitely more suited to my lifestyle and my activity level. So something to keep in mind. And I'm not sure if they have every style in a UV compatible version, but that's something to explore for sure. But here is what the first nail looked like. It stuck really well and felt really nice and durable and secure after I got it on. And I thought it looked really nice. This is what the set looked like after I got it on all 5 fingers, the little before and after. And so far, so good. I got a lot of compliments on them on Mother's Day. I think they're very pretty. They are something that I would potentially purchase again since they are lasting me pretty well. But definitely will want to try the UV glue in the future, or maybe even with a different set. And we'll have to talk about the cuticle oil too.
So overall, I did enjoy the nails. I got a lot of compliments on them. My only thing that I would say is that it is hard to differentiate between the nails that are UV compatible and that are not. So just make sure if you order, you make sure you're ordering the right stuff, unlike me. And then also, 3 of the nails popped out throughout the week, but I think that was more so like I had like not dried those nails as much as the others, because it was like my last pinky, so the pad was a little bit dry. My one thumb, which I had tried the UV stuff on, and that did not work. And then the other one was just like a middle one when I was typing. So that is all. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.